Hey you guys, it's Amber with Created Journey and I am so excited about today's tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the basic steps of getting a free digital Bible journal and installing it onto your iPad where it's usable. So get ready and we're going to jump right in. Okay, this is the Bible we're going to be using. So let's jump in and let's go to theremarkablebible.com. Okay, so when you first open it up, this is what your page is going to look like. And you will go to the top right hand corner where it says Downloads and Guides and click that. This is going to take you where you can see how to use this, and there's a lot of different apps you can use on it. I'm going to be taking you through Goodnotes, but you can use Notes Writer, Goodnotes, Zoom Notes, Notability, and Books, which was formerly iBooks. Alright, so from here you can scroll down and you can see that there's different translations of the Bible. You can use any of them that you use. I personally use the NET, but you have three different versions. The English Bible Edition, you've got the King James Version, and the NET, which is what I'm going to be showing you today. So click on that, and then there's two different kinds. One has a built-in reading plan, and the other one does not. I have both of them, and it really just depends on how you want to use this. So you can make your selection there. Okay, so I'm doing a quick pause here. You're going to input your email address and click submit. So I just don't want to flash my email address for the entire world to see. This next segment I'm going to speed up because it is taking my internet forever tonight to download this. And so when you click submit, it's going to pull the PDF file open in your Safari. So I'm going to quickly time lapse through this and you're going to see the ridiculousness of my internet speed, and then I'll move forward. Alright, without further ado, here it is. The Remarkable Bible has downloaded onto my iPad. So what we're going to do, up at the top right hand corner of the screen, you're going to see there's like a little arrow with a box below it, and you're going to go into that and you're going to click open in Goodnotes. You'll click the Goodnotes app. When you see this, you can go to import into documents. Click that and it's going to download itself into your Goodnotes app. At this point, it's going to start importing it into your Goodnotes library, but to save us all time, I'm going to cut through this segment of it trying to install. Alright, we are now installed and this is what you are looking at. Now, there is a lot in here, but you can kind of scroll and see what you see. On the fourth page, there's the navigation. And this is where you can click to go to a specific book of the Bible. Now, up at the top, I want you to see what I'm clicking. If you have the blue screen, you need to go and click the no pin. When you go in here, you can click on a book. So let's click on Psalms, and we'll go to Psalms 31. And when you go into it, it'll bring you to that book of Psalms, or in that chapter of Psalms. And this is how you will navigate within Goodnotes. Now there's a few different ways that you can journal. You can do it within Goodnotes. Click the Apple Pencil button again and you can draw directly into Goodnotes. Or you can find the verse you're working on, go to that page, and you can export it to a design software such as Procreate. And in the next video on part 2, so make sure you subscribe and like so that you will get notifications. In part 2, I'm going to be teaching you how to export a page into Procreate and how to design your first digital Bible journaling page. Okay, we're right here at the end, but I want to show you this. Just a couple of pages that I've done in my digital Bible journal, and this is the type of thing that you will learn as you continue watching this digital Bible journaling series. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk soon.